Hey, how are you doing? Let's have a preview. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. Today I'm going to tell you the top 5 tools you can use for recording your laptop screen and edit them like a pro. I have received comments on my videos about which tools do I use for my video. So, if you do like my video creation and want to create similar ones, here's a good news for you. These 5 tools that I am going to share are the ones that I personally use to create my YouTube videos. So let's begin. The first tool is Camtasia. Camtasia is a software for creating video tutorials and presentations. It is one of the best all-in-one screen recorder to create all types of educational videos. It works on both Windows and Mac operating system. It makes recording, editing and sharing very easy. But there's a catch. This is a paid tool. Well, to get a good return, we need to do some investment, right? So I would just say go for it. The second tool is Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing tool that helps you transform anything into stunning videos. It also works on both Windows and Mac operating system. It is an easy to use yet powerful enough editing tool that everyone can master in just a few minutes. Here, you can get a 30 days trial but with limited options. Plus, it has a huge watermark that only goes away with the paid version. But still, it's an amazing editor, worth giving it a try. Third tool is Powtoon. Powtoon is an animation software that help you create animated presentations and animated explainer videos. It's very quick and very easy. One can make videos in minutes using Powtoon. So here you can also create whiteboard animation videos. Okay, and it provides a 3-day trial. After that, only few options are available in the free version. So you need to upgrade to the pro version to make the best of it. The fourth tool is OBS. OBS is an open broadcaster software used for streaming and recording videos. It is free of cost and an open source tool. It is compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. One can capture, compose, record and live stream videos with ease using OBS. So if interested, you can check my video on how to use OBS tool. Link is provided in the description. The fifth tool is Canva. Canva is a tool used to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and many more. Basically, to create any amazing visual content. It already includes some templates for users to use. The platform is free to use, but it does offer some paid subscriptions if you want to use their additional functionality, which is by the way available in free version but with a watermark. Well, its free version is also great to use, and they also have an app named as Canva, so you can use it on your mobile as well. So that is it, guys. That was just a brief on all the 5 tools that I personally use and recommend you guys if you wish to create some amazing video content like I do. And for your knowledge, even this video was created using Powtoon. Okay, so now pick the best one for you. And for any suggestions, questions or queries, write me down in the comment section. I will get back to you. To stay updated with the next videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a great day.